like how niggas pop out. We in the ghetto, we make it rata. Easy access so she knows I'm a rapper. We selling coca, but it won't happen. No hapsa, died a bit bassa. Die my degree, have on my purdy. Bros in a tea house, I got my Mindy. Serving a crack to the fiends, they're pinty. Some money, macromangia. Pass my men on mania, plugs Hollandia. Now they wanna know how I got this level. But I won't sign no deal with the devil. I know life gets tough and stressful. Got this bad bitch, she's making it helpful. Really, I'm nothing that special. Fuck that, I'm the hardest in the game. Some cash, I can't stop till I'm stacking racks. 140 on no racing tracks. My foot on the pedal, I ain't stopping the gas. I come a long way from streets of Rojava. My brother went war and it's sad. I ain't got no time for beef. Them man I'm schemes, they know where I'm at. I don't give no fucks about feelings, bitch, I'll leave your heart in a bin. Don't give me stress, I don't wanna hear that, just drop it down. Arch it again, when life gets hard, oh bro, just spark it again. Look at them and I'm laughing at them. All the time that I spend in the streets, nearly time me deceased. Sarikha blend gun right Aziz. Should be the man cat to Gurman G. She on sock on my D when she saw that I put up in an AMG and an SUV. No, it wasn't easy, they used to hate on me. And now they wanna be like me, now they wanna feel like me. They know that I roll with a gang and they're Gurman G's.